Hi artists, I am here in my garden today because we started our semester with a project where we were talking about monarchs, and I have just planted a whole bunch of butterfly flower, which is a type of milkweed to attract monarchs. So I am working on creating a garden, creating a way station, they call it, a place where the monarchs can migrate, because we talked about that being a problem, that they're an endangered species. So pollinators are important to food production, and because they help create seeds and then we get more plants. So this ties in great with this year's Students Rebuild Challenge, which is raising money to organizations that stop world hunger. And now with the pandemic, this is even more relevant. So I'm going to ask you guys to create your own artful recipe. And my recipe is a recipe for the monarchs. Every recipe has two things. It has a set of ingredients and a set of instructions. So you may have thought of a food recipe, and that's great. We're going to put these all together into a RAMS community cookbook. So we want them to be beautiful, and you can use whatever art materials you want to create it. I put one of our kirigami monarchs right on here. I collaged. I did a little paint up here to highlight the banner. And the only problem was, you'll see, I'll show you, I made a Google slide that I couldn't read it very well when this photograph went in. So you have to make sure that you can read it. I'd like you to put your name and grade on it, or if you're a parent or a teacher, let us know that. Pick a title for your recipe and get really creative. In the slides, there are a lot of examples, and it's really important that you click your sharing settings on your slide and make sure that you're sharing anybody. The setting should be anyone with a link can view. If it's only Holliston, unless it's a Holliston email, you can't view it. So that means parents don't get to contribute, and we would love that. Then this will be shared for semester 2 students as your task 2, and just share it on your Google Classroom with me this week. So I will tell you my ingredients for the monarchs, and I planted my seeds over here. My ingredients are 1 small plot of earth, about 4 yards of topsoil, a tablespoon of elbow grease, 1 packet of native milkweed seeds, plenty of sunshine, a sprinkle of rain, and a handful of hope. The instructions are to find a little plot of land, use the elbow grease in the topsoil to prepare your garden bed. Pull out any rocks or weeds. I've got some more weeds to pull out here clearly. And after danger of frost has passed, you're going to sow a native milkweed seeds. Native are best for our ecology. About a 1/4 inch deep, spaced three seeds every 12 to 24 inches. Allow the sun to shine and add a sprinkle of rain. Wait 14 to 28 days for seeds to emerge, and then hope for monarchs. There they go.